Hello, welcome to video number 3 of 7 in the Meeting Result Getting Started series. In the first two videos, we showed you how to create your stakeholders and create your first project. In this video, we're going to show you how to plan your first meeting. So if you will click on the project that you created on the left-hand side of the main dashboard, you'll notice that there's a Meetings column in the middle of the screen and an Assets column to the right of the screen. There's a plus button next to the completed toggle button here. Click on the plus button and this will bring up the new meeting screen. First thing we're going to do is give our meeting a name, and we'll stick with our original naming scheme here. First meeting. We've already chosen the project. It belongs to our first project. We can give it a date and time, or it defaults to the current date and time. And at this point, we have two options. First option is we can click the plan button, and this is going to allow us to go through the complete planning for the meeting. Or we can click the Meet Now button, which will take us directly to the meeting execution dashboard and allow us to start the meeting right away. So if you have an impromptu sort of ad hoc meeting and you want to meet right now without going through the planning, you can do that. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and plan the meeting. So click on the plan button. This is going to bring up the edit meeting screen. You'll see our name's already filled in, our date and time is already filled in. Let's go ahead and do a location here. Let's say we're going to go to our Join Me account, and we'll put that information in here. We're going to change the date of this to Wednesday, September 18th at 11 a.m. and we'll leave the duration to 1 hour. We've got our project already. Next, we're going to select our objectives for the meeting. We'll click on the Edit button here, and we will click on the plus button at the upper left, and we'll add our first objective. And let's add one more objective. Let's call it our second objective. Once we're done adding all of our objectives, we'll click on the Done button. Next, let's create our agenda for the meeting to achieve our objectives. Click on the Edit button. For each agenda item, you click on the Add Agenda Item, and we type in our first agenda item. We'll choose the presenter for this. We'll make it Pete, and we'll choose how long this is going to last. Let's call it 15 minutes. And if we wanted to, we could add an optional speaking note. Perhaps it's something you want to remember to say during the meeting. Remember to tell the group something. And once we're done with that agenda item, we go back. We can add a second agenda item. I'll choose a presenter and a duration. Let's make this 30 minutes. And we'll add a final third agenda item. Choose a presenter. And if we're done with our agenda, next thing we'll do is click on the Close button. And the final option here is to choose our attendees. You'll see that we've already got this populated with the 3 stakeholders that are on the project. If you didn't want somebody to be an attendee, but you wanted them to receive a copy of the meeting summary report, we could toggle this person to be a subscriber to the meeting, and rather than attending, they're just going to receive a copy of the meeting summary report when the meeting is concluded. At this point, click on the Save button, or you could go directly into executing the meeting, but since this meeting is happening in the future, we're going to go ahead and save it. We'll come back to our dashboard, click on the Plan button, and we'll see this meeting that we just planned. That concludes this video tutorial. Thank you for using MeetingResult, and please take a look at the remaining video tutorials.